Who doesn't love trying out new hairstyles and styles onto their new hair looks? But let's be real, all this can take a toll onto your hair. The terms like dry hair, brittle hair breakage are all caused because of excessive styling and coloring onto your hair. Don't worry, I got your back. In today's video, I'll be talking about how to take care of the damaged hair and how to prevent them from damaging. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Roshni from Cureskin, and today we will be talking about how to manage and prevent the breakage and the hair dryness caused because of the styling. There are multiple causes which can actually lead to the dryness and dullness, which can actually take a toll onto your hair. So let's proceed by discussing one of the few topics. One are the heat styling tools. We all are guilty of using the blow dryers, curling rods and straighteners just to ease out the work and get the quick look. But let's be true, if you're not taking good care of your hair, this can actually lead to dryness, brittleness, and can eventually damage the cuticle of your hair, leading to frizzy hair. Secondly, it's very important to use these kind of tools onto healthy hair and practicing the healthy hair practices like using heat protection spray, making sure to apply a serum post application, and setting the temperature of the styling tool onto medium and not onto high. 2 point, bleaching of your hair. According to American Academy of Dermatology, bleaching your hair 3 shades or lighter can actually damage your hair because of the excessive amount of use of the benzoyl peroxide. Now this can actually cause excessive dryness, frizziness, and along with this, the moisture from your hair is going to get reduced because of the regular bleaching, leading to your hair easy breakage and more dull. 3 point, it's the hair color. Well, getting that permanent, beautiful hair colors can actually come with a price. And that's your hair damage. Coloring your hair permanently can actually lead to dehydration, and these colors can actually take away the moisture from your hair, leaving your hair more prone to dull, dry, and more split ends and breakage. Now let's figure out how to prevent and repair the damaged hair. Number 1 point, lowering the heat temperature of the heat styling tools. It's very important to know the fact that the heat styling tools comes with a 3 temperature range according to your hair type. One is a low temperature, then is a medium, and then is the high temperature. If you have thick coarse hair, then the high temperature setting might be adequate for you. But usually people tend to use the high temperature setting to always have that quick drying accessibility. But this can actually take a toll onto your hair. So it's very important to practice to use a low or medium setting temperature. Along with this, make sure to use a heat styling protection spray before you start the heat styling tools onto your hair. Number 2 point, using a better shampoo and conditioner. I would recommend you look after these products while you're purchasing a shampoo or a conditioner. A shampoo which is a keratin shampoo containing vitamins like vitamin D3, E and B5 is going to be very helpful for maintaining a good scalp health. Along with this, it's also important to look for a component or the ingredient called as peppermint oil into your conditioner. Now this can actually help in relaxing the muscles, and along with this, it's also going to help in retaining the moisture and increasing the blood circulation onto your scalp health. Number 3 point, hair mask. Not just having a proper hair care routine, but for having that beautiful hair, you must use a hair mask which contains shea butter, coconut oil or the avocado oil once a week to help in retaining and blocking up all the moisture into your hair and giving you that flawless hair. Number 4 point, let's talk about applying the serum onto your hair. If you want that anti-frizz look for your hair, it's very important to use the serums which has this anti-frizz formulation along with some oil into it. Use your hand ends to help in locking up the moisture and the serum combination onto your hair. Now this is also going to help in giving you that frizz-free look and also help in retaining the moisture into your hair. Make sure that you apply the serum onto your hair end and not onto the scalp, as this can make your scalp very oily. Number 5 point, regular haircuts. I'm sure that split ends are innocuous, and to get rid of them, it's very important to have at least a haircut or hair trimming in every 8 to 12 weeks so that the split ends can be kept at its bay. The split ends can give you more frizz appearance. Along with this, it can also lead to the shaft breakage. Number 6 point, switch to a wide tooth comb, as this is going to help in giving you less tugging and less friction to your hair. Make sure that once your hair is wet, you use a wide toothed comb to help in removing all the knots, and this is going to be much easier to even tug out the friction. Swim and sun with care. When we talk about swimming, there is so much harsh chemicals inside the pool, like the chlorine, the pool water, which can actually damage your hair, making them more brittle. So make sure that before going out, you make sure to apply a moisturizing agent onto your scalp, and after swimming, use a moisturizing conditioner and a mild shampoo to cleanse the area. Use moisturizing hair dyes to protect your hair from the damage, and make sure that you apply the hair colors only at your roots and not onto your shaft. Most of the hair dyes these days come with a conditioning and moisturizing capacity to help in repairing and allowing not to damage your hair. And lastly, make sure that you have a healthy diet inside out. So try to have a diet which is rich in protein, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins and minerals. Try to include the salmon, nuts and dry fruits into your diet to maintain that healthy hair. I hope you found this video useful. Share this with your family and friends. If you have any questions, please write down in the comment section below.